Hello, I am Adin Dias. Welcome to Adin Dias channel. In today's video we will learn about the difference between mitosis and meiosis. A lot of students are searching for this exact video to gain some clarity on mitosis and meiosis. Some are confused between mitosis and meiosis while some don't understand them. Don't worry, in this video all your doubts will get cleared. So, what I recommend is watch the video till the end. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to not miss such engaging videos. Adam, tell me, what is cell division?
If you know the answer, tell me in the comments.
Cell division is a process by which a single cell divides into 2 or 4 cells.
There are two types of cell division, namely mitosis and meiosis. Okay, Adam, tell me, what is mitosis?
I don't know, sir.
Mitosis is a type of cell division in which a single cell divides to form 2 daughter cells. Always remember, chromosome number of daughter cells is always same to the parent. Let's also see the importance of mitosis.
Mitosis plays an important role in growth, development, healing and repair of multicellular organisms by forming new somatic cells. It maintains chromosome number of parent cell in the daughter cells. It ensures equal distribution of genetic material and maintains characteristics of species. It plays a significant role in asexual reproduction of unicellular organisms.
Note, body cells are also called somatic cells. Hence, mitotic division is also called somatic division. Students, tell me, how many stages are there in mitosis? Tell me in the comment.
Mitosis has 4 stages. A quick shortcut for you to remember all the stages. P, M, A, T. P for prophase, M for metaphase, A for anaphase, T for telophase. Now, Adam, tell me, what is meiosis?
I don't know, sir.
Meiosis is a type of cell division which adds the original chromosome number. It results in formation of 4 haploid cells. It occurs in germ or sex cells.
Meiosis is divided into 2 parts, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2.
Let's look at the significance of meiosis. Meiosis is responsible for the formation of sex cells or gametes that are responsible for sexual reproduction. It activates the genetic information for the development of sex cells and deactivates the sporophytic information. It maintains the constant number of chromosomes by having the same. This is important because the chromosome number doubles after fertilization.
Okay students, I think you all are now familiar with mitosis and meiosis. Now let's look at the differences between them. We all saw that in mitosis the chromosome number does not change. It remains diploid. Whereas in meiosis, the chromosome number is reduced to half. Diploid cells become haploid. In mitosis, 1 cell gives rise to 2 daughter cells, whereas in meiosis, 1 cell gives rise to 4 daughter cells. Mitosis has 4 stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Whereas meiosis has 2 major stages, namely meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Each is subdivided into prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Mitosis is essential for growth and development, whereas meiosis is essential for formation of gametes in sexual reproduction. Mitosis takes place in both somatic cell and sex cell, but meiosis takes place only in sex cells, not in body cells. Genetic recombination does not occur in mitosis as there is no crossing over, while crossing over happens in meiosis, which leads to genetic recombination.
So, we are done with the video. If you liked the explanation, do share and like the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe the Adin Dias channel.